have you found?
You see it?
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't think it was his home.
Can you see the birdie in there? Do you think she has eggs?
It's a little baby, I think.
Hello.
Silly, Dad cutting their house down?
Poor birdie.
Yeah. We're pretty much where we left off, so as you can see we still have a bit of brick exposed around the door there. Today's mission is to hopefully expose the rest of the brick along here. Went and got some sand and some lime so that way we can start to repoint this. As soon as that's done we can drop a brand new wall in front of it, ready to do the roof upgrade. So additionally what we need to do is we still have this frame here as you're going into the laundry area. Take all that down, and then once all that comes down, as you can see, we have more gyprock here to come off, so we can expose the stone there. So getting there slowly but surely, and obviously above the kitchen here, Nick still has a couple of roof truss to cut out. But yeah, what I'm planning on doing today, what I'm hoping to get through, is to get the rest of this plaster here off, up to that doorway, so that way this is all exposed, clear and stone, ready to be repointed. Got the sand and the lime, so that'll be next. Alright, I think that's all the render up on this side now. Minus that bit at the end that's got concrete under it. The next thing would be to take out the crappy old mortar. That's all wet muse. So while I've been ripping off the render on this part, Nick has started pulling down the little bit of ceiling that's left over here, so we can take this steel frame out, and that will see the kitchen area all open. So the next stage will be to repoint this wall, and then following that, Nick will be able to drop the new wall in front of it, after we open up that doorway where the window is, of course. And then we'll be able to start raking the ceiling. So this room will start to become a room again. That'll be exciting, won't it? Apologies it took us a bit longer to get this video out. Unfortunately, life has happened the last couple of weeks, so it's taken us a bit longer.
Yeah, been pretty busy, haven't we? Had kids' birthdays, and Jill and I both started new jobs, so that sort of had our focus for a little bit and didn't get as much done around the place as we would have liked. But the pressure's on for Christmas now. Jordan wants, strangely, a room with like gyprock and like a ceiling.
I'd like a living room before Christmas.
Don't know why.
Ideally, yeah. But no, the aim is to get the gyprock back in that area.
Ceiling up.
New wall.
New roof. I think that'll probably have us pretty well sorted.
It'll start to look like a room again, and then I know we said that last week, but or last vlog. But yeah, no, look, we've now got a bit of a time frame to work to, so get that done, and then hopefully a kitchen in the new year. So that's our aim. Thanks everyone for your patience and for following along. If you're new, welcome, and please like, subscribe. If you don't want to, that's okay as well. But we were informed that Christine was our 100th subscriber, so thank you, Christine. We really appreciate those that do take the time to like, subscribe and comment. Obviously engagement with the channel helps push us to a wider audience, so we really appreciate the people that do take the time to get involved where they can. We'll try and do our part by getting more videos out, and hopefully some longer videos and some more exciting...
Something different than just us pulling stuff apart, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully we get to the construction stage. I mean, fingers crossed that's coming. It should be in the next vlog anyway. I think we're at the point where we can start to put things back together. So I think we're pretty excited for that. But yeah, thanks everybody for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Yeah, see you next time.
Thank you. See ya.